Welcome to my channel Lenovate. In this video, we will going to discuss about the dopamine biochemistry. And this is the lecture number 3 from the neurotransmitters. In this video, we will going to discuss the dopamine metabolism, in which we will going to discuss the introduction, the synthesis, the degradation, the functions, and also the disorders that are related with the dopamine deficiency. So guys, starting from the introduction, that is the catecholamines. They are the family of neurotransmitters that contain dopamine as one of the component. So the catecholamines that are derived from the tyrosine amino acid contain dopamine as one of the inhibitory neurotransmitter. So this dopamine is an inhibitory neurotransmitter of the catecholamine, and this having the major inhibitory effect through the substantia nigra onto the different parts of brain to prevent any abnormal movement that may occur. So in this way, this dopamine is important for the coordination and control of body. Another importance we will going to discuss further on. But before discussing the functions, we will going to discuss the synthesis and degradation of dopamine. Now here you can see this dopamine is derived from the tyrosine, as it is a catecholamine. So the tyrosine amino acid will act upon by an enzyme, that is tyrosine hydroxylase, and there is a conversion of tyrosine into a dopa. This dopa is an intermediate compound, and it will going to convert into the dopamine by the dopamine synthetase enzyme. Now the dopamine that has been formed is now, if it is unlimited and if it is not needed in the body, it will going to degrade. But how the degradation take place? This degradation take place by two mechanisms. Either the dopamine convert into 3-methyloxythymine by the COMT enzyme, or it may convert into the dopake by MAO, that is monoamine oxidase. That is a degradator enzyme of all the catecholamines. Now the two products that is being intermediate, they will going to convert into the homovanillic acid at the final stage. And this homovanillic acid is the final degradation product of the dopamine, as well as all the other amino acids that are catecholamines. Now coming to the functions of dopamine also with the disorders. So guys, here you can see the dopamine that is important for the brain reward center. The brain pleasant center, that is being the reward seeking behavior, is being important, and this system contains dopamine as an important component. The second function of dopamine is to associate with the pleasure and reward seeking behavior. So you can say it is a happy neurotransmitter, or it will going to calm down and going to pleasurable behavior to the brain and going to give a pleasant effect on the memory and brain. Now what happens if the deficiency of dopamine take place? We have discussed just in the introduction that this dopamine is also important in the control and coordination, as it is an inhibitory neurotransmitter, so it prevents the excessive movement of the muscles and will going to inhibit the excessive movement and in coordination. So in this way, if the deficiency of dopamine occur, this will cause the Parkinson disease, and this Parkinson disease will lead to lack of balance and coordination with the shaking, stiffness, and rigidity. This is because of the deficiency of dopamine. Now, how this Parkinson disease is treated? It is treated by the L-Dopa, that is a drug. Because the dopamine cannot cross the blood-brain barrier because of its amino acid derivation, so that's why this dopamine is being induced as an L-Dopa in the brain to prevent the Parkinson or to treat the Parkinson disease. In this way, this will be going to treat this disease. So guys, this was all about the function, relation, degradation, and synthesis with the introduction of dopamine. So this was about the biochemistry of dopamine. I hope it will be explained well. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.